Do is make me cold. Wintertime does that.
Talk into the red light.
Seems like it's getting darker again. Like my eyes can't adjust to it.
I can't really tell looking through this camera.
If you can't do nothing else but talk, then talk again.
Make this board underneath me jump like you did before. Make this board jump.
God, we've been taping for 32 minutes now.
Been hiding for 30 minutes.
Make that metal noise over there again. And I don't feel cold no more. Cold's already left.
I'm down here by myself. Did you want me by myself down here?
Do you know my name?
Can you say my name?
I heard that scratching again like we heard the other day. Exact same spot. Right over here beside me.
I can't see nothing but boards down
I
there.
heard that scratching noise again. You gotta do it louder than that.
Is that...
If that was you, scratch my leg.
That the best you can do is scratch? My cat does that when it shits at home.
Come scratch me, show how tough you are.
You have not done anything yet to even impress me a little bit.
If you can't talk, make a noise or whistle or knock something over.
I'm starting to think you can't do anything. All you can do is put me to sleep. Do you want us to keep coming up here and bugging you?
Well, start coming on back down this way. We'll take it down, see what we got, and then we'll come back.
Check it out.
Because we're running like 35 minutes. It'll take us 35 minutes to go through the digital recorder to see what we got. That way, if it says anything, we can come back up here and acknowledge what it says.
Alright.
Turning off the recorder.
Can't see nothing.
Turn the light